Welcome back to Trash Panda Off-Road. Today is day one of Zukicon on the Rubicon 2022. This is the first staging area here, and we got a lot of Samurais, including a long wheelbase one right there, which is cool as hell. I'm pretty sure we're going to be the only IFS rig here. That's okay. We don't plan on doing anything silly. We still got to drive it home, remember? Another Samurai over there. And actually, this is still a few miles away from the trail, and there's going to be all the well-built rigs that aren't street legal over there. So we'll go drive all these over and catch up to those rigs. Pulling out of the staging area there at the Loon Lake Chalet. And I believe there's 9 Samurais and of course the one Geo Tracker. And we're heading down towards where there's a bit more rigs at they call it the spillway. I don't know if that's the trailhead or what, but that's where a bunch of rigs that were not street legal, more buggy style rigs, were supposedly staging. So I think there's going to be like 15 or 16 plus Suzukis on this thing. This is going to be great. Okay, that's what I want to do. You want to take my picture?
Yes. Tourist.
I am tourist. How's that?
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, so don't know where all the other rigs are, but here's the group we have so far. Samurai, long wheelbase Samurai. This thing's cool. I'd like to have one of these if I could ever find it. Another really nice Samurai. You know, a lot of these are still on the Samurai axles and stuff. Not all built up, just built big, which is nice. I like this. Do my Samurai like this one, I think. I like that. I like the striping on that. It's kind of cool. If you guys don't follow Fortune Off-Road and aren't familiar with that YouTube channel, that's Kyle's rig from Fortune Off-Road. This is his buddy's 4Runner. Alright, we already did the touristy thing. Got a picture up by the sign. It says, "Welcome to the trail." Here's an almost stock Samurai, so all you guys who say you didn't want to come because your stuff wasn't big enough, look at that little guy. Nice black Samurai over there. The buggy style Samurai. That's nice. Nice little Samurai. Man, some nice stuff out here. Oh, that's us right there. Fan's still running. Better turn that off. Alright, got that. Almost towards the end.
Not too far to go, but
nice racing Samurai.
it's really slow too. I'd love to ride the short course, but
All set up. Ultra 4 style car. So, I'm pretty sure from the looks of things, we're the only IFS rig here. A lot of Samurais. But we're going to do what we can. I think I said that already because it kind of shocks me a little bit. And this is Amber's race Samurai. And I believe that's her parents in the Jeep behind us. Here we go, gang. Into the Rubicon Trail. That's so awesome. Hey, there's a creek down there.
climb both the rocks. Oh, I'm fired, I can tell.
Unfortunately, the GoPro batteries are dead, and the Goal Zero is not working correctly. I don't know if it's the heat or what it is, so this has been a long day of not really going anywhere. You go a little ways, somebody gets stuck in an obstacle. You go a little ways, somebody gets stuck in an obstacle. I think we've gone maybe a mile. Alright, well, it is what it is. Uh-oh. Okay, we're back on GoPro. Goal Zero was able to charge up the batteries for the GoPros. Goal Zero, GoPro, whatever. Get them mixed up sometimes. I don't know where we're at. We're on the Rubicon Trail somewhere. We've been through a lot of very difficult stuff. Stuff that's making my stomach turn considering we drove this thing all the way here. But it seems to be doing really well. The Rubicon Trail is like a 20-mile rock garden. You get occasional spots where it's flat, but for the most part it's just rocks. Also, the trail is extremely crowded today, and so we're like driving 50 feet, stopping for 10 minutes. Driving 50 feet, stopping for 10 minutes. We hit the trail around 10 o'clock. It's close to 3 now, and we've gone 3 miles. problem with water. You never know what's in there. Mirror, and it died. Mirror. I bumped the mirror.
You didn't break it. Good job, Doug.
Didn't break it, but I bumped it.
Those mirrors are hard to come by, you know.
See what I'm saying, guys? That was like 200 feet maybe of that trail. From the time I told you I hadn't recorded a lot of stuff to, well, here. Crazy, right? But the scenery is gorgeous. Oh crap.
What? Not my turn.
That. We're going to do a 3-point turn.
Drop right on the left.
Don't die here. Good job, little trucker. Okay, guys. Major predicament. We blew the radiator.
He said sure.
So we're gonna try to limp this thing back to the camp, and everybody's gonna work with me to try to get it fixed. I don't know how much further we're gonna go for tomorrow and stuff like that. So okay, so the hole in the radiator, they're trying to pinch it off, and the radiator fan was smashed into the radiator, and so it stopped working. So hopefully it cools off and starts working, and hopefully this little fix works. At least we can get to camp, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do from there. Sabrina and I may just have to try to fight our way out of there tomorrow morning. We'll see. Okay, new update. We're back on the trail. We're not far from camp is what they're saying. It still leaks, but it's cool because it's in the evening right now. We'll go ahead and get to camp, and then we'll reassess the situation, get some food in us, that kind of good stuff.